press. This is a direct threat to the Indian government that we Northeast people, we are a peace and quiet people. But remember, we are not docile and submissive. This is the direct threat. I have been the victim of the AFSPA. In 2006, I was harassed by the Indian Army forces. They force us to carry stack and use us as a bait within a gunpoint. We have no option but to carry. We demand, because we have seen AFSPA is a symbol of oppression and is an object of hate. They should respect the treaty and the unique history of the Khasi and the Naga indigenous people. Enough, because we have seen, and it's a shock and it's a shame and it's a tragedy how when a friend become a killer. The Indian army, they kill us. We think that they are for us to protect, but they are to kill. The AFSPA is a license to kill. So we demand to repeal or revoke this draconian law immediately. Otherwise, this little fire will burn from Shillong in the whole entire of Northeast. So I request all the Northeast brother and sister to stand united and let us fight together till we win against this stupid law, so that we can win. Otherwise, we will have to face many consequences. And it's a shock again when I check in the notification, pass for this area like Nagaland, pass in the effect from 30 June. So before it end, why this incident happened? This is a direct straight, I allege, direct, without any order from the top or high level. I don't think that even one bullet they can shoot. This is direct from the Indian government, nothing else. So we stand united with our Nagas brothers. Don't be afraid. Blood and our body will walk hand to hand. Thank you.